Today we are going to be doing division with equal groups. We will use circles or counters to create our equal groups to represent a division equation. Using 24 counters or circles, let's see how many groups of 4 we can make. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one group of 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's two groups of 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 groups of 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 groups of 4, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5 groups of 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, 6 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Try one with me. Using the circle counters, we will solve the following equation. 16 divided by 8. We are going to make 8 groups. Use the pen tool to draw 8 groups first. Then move your circle counters into the groups one at a time until you have used a total of 16 counters. Once you have used 16 counters, fill in the blanks. Blank groups of blank equals blank. Using counters, solve 20 divided by 5. This time show me groups of 5. Once you have finished, fill in the blanks. Groups of blank equals blank.